Hey everybody, it's Wilson from the Leung Real Estate Associates team,
Hi, it's Jennie Lok.
and we're here in South San Francisco.
Yeah. We're here at 1254 Edmonson Way, which is a newer construction built in 2017.
And it's actually right behind us. We're currently in the common grounds, which right behind you there's a little park.
There's a basketball court here, park.
Additional parking, and we're going to give you a tour of the interior today. So let's go. So welcome to 1254 Edmonson. So we're going to take the main entryway, which right on the right you'll see one of the first bedrooms and also a little patio area.
It's already installed with a Ring camera to see all your guests. Come in.
Here's the entry area. Of course, as we said on the right, here's the first bedroom. This bedroom could be used as a bedroom or as an office, especially with people that have considered buying homes to work from home.
The nice thing is that there's a full bathroom, so shower and everything here. In case you have guests or family members who might not like to walk up and down the stairs as much, or you can even rent out this room and have a bit more privacy.
And right next to the bathroom is a two-car garage, which we can share with you that it's on the opposite side of where we walked in, and we'll also get a shot of this front of the house later on when we exit.
The nice thing about this is side by side versus some other complexes have tandem parking.
Yep, and as you can see, there's the water heater right in the garage, which was put in 2017. And we'll head on up.
Look at these handrails, nice and updated.
So what you'll see throughout the property is there's recessed lighting that was part of the original construction when the builder built it in 2017, City Ventures. And one of the options that you had when you purchased this home was there was an option to make this a fourth bedroom, and instead the sellers decided to open up the whole second floor. There is still a full bath for any guests that you have. So right when you walk up the stairs, that's the second full bath of the house. Additional closet space right next to it as well. And then facing Mission Road, straight ahead, where this could be a bedroom, it's currently used obviously as a loft, built as a loft. Right across the street, you'll see the parking lot for the BART station, which we'll give you a tour of it later as well.
So here would be a great quarantine space for your office to have enough privacy, and in case you want to invite guests over, this is a great dining area. You can have at least 6 or more guests here. The beautiful thing about this home is the large island. We're not going to see this in many other constructions around South San Francisco, but this is a huge island that you can even put desks, chairs all around for entertainment, and all the updated appliances here and the nice backsplash.
Yeah, one thing to note as well about being on a corner unit, a lot of these townhouses slash condos, they're attached on both sides. Versus for us, we do have one side that is not attached, where you're going to have additional windows as you see throughout the house. So it adds more brightness that comes in, more natural sunlight.
You get all these stainless steel appliances, plenty of storage and space for all your family members and parties. So excited to have those again soon.
And now we head over to the living room, which is all obviously open layout where you can access, let's say, a work area slash a nook over there for dining, and or let's say you have a couple of desks, or the kids could play over there if that's the kids' play area. And here's a living room where you will formally have your seating, and of course you would potentially put your television on the wall here. unless you have a projector, that as well. So
Another cool feature about this house is all the upgrades that are really thought out well. So you see all the USB plugs in case you have guests want to charge their iPhones. That's really important. And other features are the Ethernet cables down here. It's all wired. We have the Nest system as well too, which we need to set up. It's currently in Spanish, but we'll be able to set that up. And if we come here, this is what we call a Juliet balcony. So when you open up, you'll get your fresh air and be able to look outside, enjoy the beautiful views. And just check in, and it's nice and private, so you're just facing your other new construction neighbors here and the park here. But there's minimum foot traffic on this area.
and let's head on upstairs. So as you walk up, there's additional storage space right across from the stairs. And we're gonna go from left to right.
You have your full stack washer dryer here as well.
So you don't have to go to the garage or you don't have to walk any stairs to get that done. And right next to the laundry room is the guest suite. The master's on the other side of the third floor, which right here you'll have a full bath. And also the bedroom with a full closet, of course. Fan and light. Extra windows because we are in a corner.
These are all upgraded with really nice blinds too, with blackout curtains.
And then no obstruction of view for the front of the house. Now, across from this bedroom, we enter the master suite, which right on the left, you have a large bathroom.
So here you have your double vanity sinks here. And then my favorite part is the bench in the shower where you can sit and enjoy your shower.
And of course, here's the master bedroom, the biggest bedroom in the house. Also no obstruction of view. You have some privacy here.
And then double closets.
Double closet doors that is through.
Here's a little fun nook area where the kids can just play, or if you have any small pets like birds, you can keep them here too. Then let's take a look outside.
So if you can, count the steps that it takes to get to the park station. Okay, we'll do it once here and then once over there.
Here we are.
And here we are. We're at the park station, which
So-
is there.
If you look directly across, that's where the house is.
Perfect. Edmonson is a Centennial Way, which is a trail that connects all the way to various parks and it goes past San Bruno.
You can see all the people running with their strollers and biking around. So it's a really fun outdoor area to be close to.
And also, in the distance, you can see Kaiser Permanente, which is the hospital on El Camino.
Welcome to South San Francisco. It's just a few stops down from the city, about 2 stops, Daly City and South San Francisco.
We have Trader Joe's, we have Costco,
Starbucks.
and Starbucks.
And we hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of Edmonson here. Just to give you some of the frequently asked questions and answers, the sellers are moving out of state, and that's why they decided to put this on the market. And also, this is part of an HOA and part of a community.
The low HOA of $238 per month.
And also, we have disclosures ready, seller disclosures, inspection, HOA documentation. If you are curious and you want to see this property in person, please reach out to Jenny or myself. And also, if you want to take a look at the disclosures, we can send that to you.
So, see you soon.
Thank you so much.